So what better way to do a what's in my hiking bag video than when I'm actually out hiking. I am outside, it's kind of windy, and I don't have a microphone, so sorry if the audio quality is not the best and the lighting, but I'm just going to quickly show you guys what I take with me on a typical hiking trip. Right now I'm in the Rocky Mountain National Park. This is my first time visiting. I'm taking a break on a hike and decided to film this video. Okay, so first, just things that are on my body. I always have sunglasses, and everything that I mention I will try to link down below. These are from Quay or Key, I think it's Key, the Australian sunglass brand. It's always good to have something to protect your eyes while you're outside for several hours. This jacket is from Columbia. It's a puffer insulated jacket. It actually was a double layer, but it's not super cold, so I left the other layer in my car. Underneath I have a Nike dry fit, like half zip. Dry fit material is good because you're sweating, you're outdoors, and so it's really comfortable to hike in. And then my leggings are Fabletics, and they have pockets on the side and then a zipper pocket right here. I always try to wear lots of things that have zipper pockets to keep like chapstick, keys, phone, important stuff that I don't want to fall out. This jacket also has zipper pockets right there on the side. And also on my I guess my waist, I have a Columbia fanny pack for things that I need to have quick access to. So right here in my fanny pack, front pocket, I just have my driver's license. I always have an ID on me. Chapstick, because being outdoors you definitely need to stay moisturized. Then my car key is in that front pocket. Okay, in the bigger pocket I would normally keep my phone, but I also have a pepper spray, and I have this knife in there because I am hiking by myself. No, I've never actually had to use either of these, but just in case I have them on me, and they are right in the front of my fanny pack, easy access in case I do need to pull them out. Shoes, I have on these high hiking boots, and these are from Columbia. Hiking shoes, they are water resistant and all that good stuff. So now let me show you guys what's actually in my hiking bag. Okay, so this is the bag that I take with me. It's Teton Sports. I got it from Amazon. I love this bag. So first, okay, so first thing that fell out, this is to stick on my tripod for my phone. You guys are watching me on a tripod, and I just carry that with me, or I'll just put it inside my bag, but it will be sticking out. On the side, I always have water with me. This trail's not super long, so I just have like a liter. Hand sanitizer is clipped on. This bag has lots of like clips that you can stick things on, so I stuck on 2 scrunchies in case I need to pull my hair back. And on the side bag, I have a bunch of tissue in case I need to blow my nose, or if I'm out in the middle of the wilderness and I have to go pee, I need something to wipe with. So tissues in this pocket. Okay, so let's do the inside first. Let me lower you guys a little bit. Okay, so I have a beanie in case it's cold. It's actually not too bad. It's like 60 degrees, and once you start moving it gets a lot warmer. Handheld tripod for vlogging. Okay, next is super important. So water is really important, as well as having snacks on you. So I always have some type of calories on me in case I'm hungry, get lightheaded. These applesauce pouches are super easy, no spoon. And I have a pack of just whole natural almonds I can snack on as I'm hiking. When you have a YouTube channel and you're out hiking.
Awesome.
Okay, so other things in my bag, I have a Polaroid because I love taking Polaroid pictures. I also also have gloves. Again, it just depends on where you're hiking and the weather, but you should always be prepared and dress in layers. Okay, this is something that I wish I had when I went to the Grand Canyon, just a pack of face wipes. When you're hiking, you can get like grimy, dirty, and just to kind of like refresh. Face wipes, you could also use them just to wipe your hands as well, just to kind of stay clean if you are not near a restroom or you're not going to be for a while. So I also brought like this like tank top in case it got too hot while I was hiking, but I honestly don't think I will need it. But again, I always just like to bring things just in case. Better to be prepared than to want something and not have it. Okay, so last thing in the main pocket, this is also something that I did not have on my other trips that you really need to bring, is a first aid kit. So this one's just from Walmart. It just has like band-aids, gauze, ointment, all of the basic first aid things in case you get injured while you're out hiking. Okay, so this bag also came with a water pack, and so this back part right here is where you would put your water pack, and then there's holes here for the tubes to come out. I do not use the water pack, so instead I just have this empty, and that is where I put my tripod in. It does stick out, but that's what I use that pocket for. Then there's two small pockets, so this one right here, I have a little mini spray deodorant. I have extra chapstick. This is a timer for my camera. I actually haven't used that. And then I also have headphones, but if I'm hiking by myself, I don't even use headphones. I haven't even touched these. Okay, then the last pocket right here, this front pocket, I have a few things in. So this one I have a mask in just in case I have to go inside a building, but I haven't had to use it. I have a hair clip in case I want to clip back my hair. SPF here, this is my favorite one. I also have this Ultra Repair First Aid Beauty face cream, but I can also use it on my hands if they get dry, so this is really key if you're hiking in a cold place. Then the last thing is just extra batteries for my camera. Okay, and one more thing about this bag that I did actually use the last time I went hiking is in this bottom pouch there's a built-in rain cover. So if it says free, you can pull out this tarp and put it over your bag to keep the things inside your bag dry. So there's also reflectors on this. I really do love this bag. I think I got the smallest size. I'll link it down below, but I'm probably going to buy it again, but in the bigger one, just in case I need to pack more stuff. Okay, so that is what's in my hiking bag / what I carry with me as I'm hiking. Also, this bag has straps around the chest and around your waist. Super important to have back support or your back will be hurting. So I will try to link everything down below. Hopefully the picture and audio quality is not too bad, but I'm going to continue on my hike, and make sure you check out my other videos for travel vlogs and other hiking and lifestyle things. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.